Hello students, Mr. Bastias here. Welcome to Unit 3, Week 3, Day 2. Make sure you have your meaning mapper, article a day, your book of knowledge, and paper and pencil to write with. Today we will learn about why and how we celebrate Flag Day. We will do this by having discussions supported with facts from the text. Let's get started. Look at the picture of the American flag. Take 3 minutes to write down 3 things you observe about the flag on your activity sheet. Here's some things I can write down in my activity sheet. I see red lines and white lines. I also see some white stars and a blue square. The flag made me think of another flag I know, which is the flag from Yemen, because it also has white and red lines. It made me think of the flag from Yemen because it also has red and white lines. I wonder what all the colors mean in the flag. Before we get started with our reading, let's remember our focus word, parade. Now, use what you have already learned to come up with 3 sentences that describe things or activities that we can see in parades. Use the pictures to help you out. So in parades, sometimes we see people eating and having food contests. Just like we can see right here, there are people having a hot dog eating contest. We also see children playing and having fun, as you can see here. And the last thing we see is people marching and playing instruments. Right here. Those are all things that we can see at parades. Let's get started with our article a day. Celebrate Flag Day. What do you notice or wonder about the image on the left? I hope you notice that it's a huge flag. I wonder why this flag is so big or what they're celebrating. June 14th is Flag Day in America. A flag is a special piece of cloth that is used as a symbol of a country or a group. Here we have the American flag. Many people honor the American flag on that day. The American flag is red, white, and blue. It has 13 stripes. So it is red, white, and blue, and it has 13 stripes. So if I count these stripes, there will be 13. It has 50 stars. Each star stands for one of our 50 states. So each one of these stars represents the 50 states right here. Now here's something that will tell us a little about the meaning of the red, white, and blue. Red stands for hardiness and valor. White symbolizes purity and innocence. Blue represents vigilance, perseverance, and justice. Where do we see the American flag? We see it in parades. We see it on people's houses. We see it on buildings in towns. We see it at schools. We see the flag on many holidays. Where have you seen the American flag? I've seen people wear the American flag on their t-shirts sometimes, especially during July 4th and Flag Day. Now take out your book of knowledge and write down or draw 2 or 3 things you learned from today's article. Go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go back to my article a day to look for some evidence of what I learned today. The first thing I learned today is that Flag Day is celebrated on June 14th in America, so I'm going to write that down. I learned that Flag Day is celebrated on June 14th in America. Another thing I learned is that the American flag has 50 stars and that each star represents one of our 50 states. So I'm going to write that down. So learn that the American flag has 50 stars. Each represents one of our 50 states. This makes me think of the 4th of July, which is Independence Day, because it is also a patriotic holiday. And something that is patriotic is something that shows pride in one's country. So July 4th and Flag Day are both very patriotic holidays. Now I want you to take out your meaning mapper. In the middle, we have our focus word parade, which is a celebration in honor of something. We already have the words celebrate and march in our meaning mapper. But what other words that are related to parade can you add to your meaning mapper? Go ahead and add one now. I added the word pride because people have parades when they're proud of something. In our article, people are very proud to be American, so they had parades. The last thing I want you to do is to add the word pride to your word wall. And that's it for me, students. I'll see you next time and have a wonderful day.